Hello friends, if you are watching this video, it means the touchpad of your laptop doesn't work and you want to fix it as soon as possible. So without wasting your time, I want to tell you that first check the key of a touchpad whether it is turned on or off. Most of the laptops have a particular function key to turn on or off the touchpad. In this laptop, that key is F6 and in this laptop, that key is F9. The key contains a touchpad icon. Check the touchpad by pressing that key. If it does not work, then press that key together with the Fn key. If it still doesn't work, it may be possible that your touchpad is disabled. To enable this, press Windows key, then type Control Panel and open it. Open Device Manager, go to Mice and other pointing devices and click on the arrow. Now the touchpad of your laptop brand is showing here. This is an ASUS laptop, so ASUS touchpad is showing here. If this option doesn't show here, then it is possible that your touchpad has gone bad or the touchpad connection with the motherboard has lost. If you know how to disassemble and assemble the laptop, then you can check by yourself. Otherwise, you have to bring the laptop to a servicing center or repairing shop or mechanic. And if this option shows, right click on it. Here an option of enable device or disable device shows. If enable device option is showing, then click on it and your touchpad starts working. And if disable device option is showing, it means the touchpad is not working for other reasons. Chances are the laptop doesn't have touchpad driver or the driver gets corrupted. For this, download the driver from the official website of your laptop company and install. To know how to download and install the touchpad driver, click on I button on top right corner and watch the video from 9 minutes 30 seconds. That is a long video, so I make this video again by shortening. That video is explained in details. You can watch in your free time or at twice X speed. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned something from this video. If your touchpad problem gets fixed by following the steps of this video, then type yes in the comment section. I will be happy. And to watch this type of helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.